It's Patric Edwards' retirement sale. Everything must go. There are tractors everywhere, so if you want a cheap tractor, come and get them. Although they'll be cheap. Fulton Major, favourite tractor in the world. Look at that. There's also a few quirky cars, so got my eye on one car. As you can imagine, it's this one. Possibly that one. Not sure, I didn't own it once before. Well, that goes for 500 quid, I'll probably end up with it. Goes on forever. Tons of trailers, a lot of brand new stuff as well. So, load of new lawnmowers somewhere, or mowers that go on tractors. Another one I'll be tempted for. Look at that. It's a beaut. Morris 8. Very similar to a Model Y Ford. '40s and '50s stuff, worth bugger all these days, but it's a nice one. Tons of tractor stuff, lots of ploughing thing, grass cutting. There's about 10 paddock mowers you put behind your tractor. There's only about 5 things I want here. Well, should be an interesting day out. Look at that, loads of grass toppers. Might get one of those myself actually. I bought one about 10 years ago, left it in the field, completely and utterly ruined it because it all went rusty. That's what I'm after. That little baby there. I've got a couple already, but you can never have enough Rolls Royces. Not cheap, scabby ones anyway. I would love that Power Major, 4-wheel drive as well. It's probably going to make 5-6 grand, I guess. But that is all the tractor you need there for anything. You don't never need anything more than that if you've just got a little place. They are fantastic. I don't know what that is. I might buy it though because it looks funky. Beautiful Major there, look at that. Is that a Power Major? I don't know. It's a monster. Good old International. I guess they're going to make 2-3 grand a piece, I'm not sure. Don't know what the cheap and cheerful tractor market's doing. That little Fergie, a great little tractor. That looks like a crossflow or something. There's going to be a lot of people, thousands of people here tomorrow. There's some great tractors, I love that one. These are all a bit big and modern for me. Well, it looks brand new near enough. Make a tank out of it. It's like the museums you got down in the south there. Could start your own museum actually with this lot. Always fancy one of these funny looking things. Look at it. That is weird. I mean, what were they on? Must have been a Friday afternoon after the pub. I know what we could make. We'll just weld the front end of another one on it. Had one of those years ago, far too slow. That'd be a great little tractor to buy. Always fancy one of these as well, little Fergie. Never so keen on the Fergie, big red Fergusons. That's been well restored, look at that, beautiful. That'll do the job. Maybe I could buy my wife a tractor. She hasn't got one. She doesn't really want one, but a good excuse to get it. Convertible JCB, I've got one of those at home. Then diggers, dumpers, rah, not exciting stuff. Alright, tomorrow's going to be good. Take the band bus back.